All right, everyone, a quick update on ACH. So we are currently sitting at 0.33. We're sitting right on top here for the last 4 days, right on our 70-day EMA. So once we lose that, you can see 3 pennies is next, and if we lose three, then we're going to come down here to our box at this 200, which is over the box now. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this box for now. We're just going to focus on the 200-day moving average, which is down here at 0.24. So the moment you lose the 70 at 3.2, 3 cents is your last defense here. If you lose 3 cents, then you're dropping down here for about 25% down here to test your 200-day for support down here. So about a 7-8% drop to 3, and then your 200 down here, which really should hold, or really needs to hold for support for this thing to remain bullish. The reason I say it's bullish right now is because you have your 200, then you have your 70. You know, if you had your 100-day moving average on the chart, it'd be somewhere in here. So you want this, you want the 200, you want it to go lower. The 200, the 70, the 50, and the 21. So that just tells you right there that you're pushing higher. But once these start to curl down, like you can see the 21 doing here, the 50 is kind of going sideways, so is the 70. 21 starting to curl down just a little bit. So if this in fact does come down here and cross back below that yellow, then that's just going to put us back into a downtrend, and the price will start pushing down once again. As of now, you know, after this little grind higher, we broke the down or the uptrend, and we're kind of just going sideways at the moment. But it does look like it wants to start pushing down if these continue to curl down here. The MACD, that is, does not look good down here. It's below the 0. RSI is going sideways, curled down just a little bit. And if we switch over to the 3-day, the macro stock RSI, it is moving down into this bearish territory of oversold, which it could come down here and hang around for a while if it wants to. Switching to the weekly, if I could see this here, I got too much stuff on the chart here. So yeah, the weekly's curled down here. It's about to cross that middle line, so that's not good there. So right now we're going sideways, but once we start losing these support areas, I'm looking for this 2-cent area to get hit down here at this 200-day moving average there. So that's what I'm looking for in ACH. But like I say in all the updates, you know, if you're long on ACH or whatever it is, just look at these prices that we're looking at, 3 cents and then 2 and then potentially lower, as DCA prices, you know, discount prices to load up on your position, because we are getting closer to that next bull run. So just keep that in mind there. If you're gearing up for that next bull run, just look at these prices as great discount prices on these cryptos that you want to invest in. So just kind of watch those prices to the downside. I do not think we're going to bounce up anytime soon. There's nothing telling me that. The Hakanashi candles printing red. Last two here do have shadows, so we could be in store for a small tiny bounce here. But if that is the case, we do actually have a lot of resistance here. So you can see we're getting stuck right at our 50-day EMA over these last 4 days here. So just kind of getting squeezed in between the 50 and the 70 here. So if we do move up and bounce, you need to get over this 348 level to this 1414 at 35. So about an 8% move, and that would probably get you right up here to your 21. So if you can get over your 21, which is currently at 36, so this general area right in here, and get up about 10 to 12%, and then actually hold this level as support, then we can actually look at higher price targets to be hit. But like I said, we do have our little dotted line here that came into play. We have our box to the upside, our 1618 at 45. So a lot of resistance to the upside and not a lot of support left to the downside. So it looks like we're going to push down lower, in my opinion. I really do think ACH is coming down to this 2-cent area. But that is just my opinion. That's why none of this is financial advice. Just want to point out to you guys what I see on the chart here. So with all that said, we'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.